guys, got another video for you guys. As you can see, we got the RSX in the backyard again. Don't worry, so far so good, nothing's broken. So far so good, knock on wood. We're actually doing a little quick install video. So I don't know if you guys can see, I already got the Progress sway bar brace in there. But every Honda boy's dream, you may have guessed it, we picked up some Voodoo RSX LCAs. How they go like this, they go under the car. So in tonight's video, we're gonna be installing those. So I'm gonna try and go a little bit in depth, show you guys what I'm doing, the bolts I'm using, all that, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, we got the car jacked up. Now, if you guys haven't done any lower control arms on an RSX, they got these special bolts, and you actually gotta order a socket. If you don't have a buddy that has one, I had to buy one on Amazon. They're cheap, they're like $12, I'll show you. So it's a 19 millimeter. It's a Honda 10 point. So if you can see that, it's a 10 point socket. So I'll show you the bolts that they take off. So those are the bolts, and they're actually not 12 point, they're 10 point. So you got to remember that. And other than that, I have the Progress brace on, so all those bolts, sway bar bushing bolts, have all been taken apart. It's these ones that I'm mainly worried about. So let's get into it. Got my nice Milwaukee gun. Shout out Milwaukee. One side off. One more to go. And then the 2 Allen keys. There we go. All right, both sides done. On my check out my new Vibrant muffler I welded on. I wanted to make the car quieter, it was too loud. Sounds perfect. Okay, now we take out the 2 Allens, and then we're gonna clean it up, and it should be just a quick re-entry. Hopefully. That's 2. Okay guys, so I got the old control arms out. Surprisingly, they're not that heavy. They got some plastic covers, I guess, for rocks and all that. I burnt one of them with my exhaust. Bushings aren't that bad. They're a little bit rusty, a little bit old. You can take these plastic covers off. Yeah, you can take them off. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna clean up the surface on all that, wire brush it all, and then put the new control arms on. So let's get into it. Safety first, guys.
Oh. You good? What fell? You fell?
Yes! What fell?
Oh, he's hurt.
All clean. Cleaned up the surfaces. Look at that. Clean the surfaces up and all that. Putting anti-seize on the trailing arms, because if rust builds up, it'll loosen up the bolts, and then the lower control arms will come loose on me, and it's not very safe. Okay, all prepped and ready to go. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put anti-seize on all the lower control arm bolts, just so that they go in nicer, they don't cross thread, and so that they don't seize up. You know, we live in Canada, so that kind of stuff we gotta worry about. So I was actually confused, but because I was wondering if you can put them on backwards. You can't. It won't allow you to. There's only one way you can put these on, and it's funny. Each side is different. On the right side, there's 2 bolts on the top, and then 1 bolt on the bottom. On the left, there's 2 bolts on the bottom and 1 on the top. So there's only one way you could actually put these on. So yeah, let's get into it. One side on. Alright guys, everything's on. I'm gonna give it a quick wipe down. You know, make sure it's all nice and clean. That looks sick. That looks super sick. Okay guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a blast. This one was a pretty fun install. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Wider, wider. Yeah, just like that. That's perfect. Like you just did some crazy shit.